Hello Ramona, I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello Ramona, I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.
Does anybody else realise that when I talk to the camera like this, I'm always sat in this spot? I've actually started using my sit down voiceover mic for my mic, but the only problem is my camera doesn't take an external mic, so like I have to sync it up. So like the mic is always plugged into my laptop, which is just here, and then I have the mic directly here. So mic, just to record the sound, because the sound on my camera's kind of gone. Which is really weird, so it means that when I'm actually filming like little bits like this, I want to obviously bring the best quality sound that I possibly can within like what, you know, I already have here. And it means I've always got to sit here, which is really odd, because sometimes like I'm over there printing, or like I'm over there like cutting on the new Cricut. I'm over there gathering up packaging supplies, like I'm just dotting around the room doing like stuff, cutting on the floor because I don't have clear desk space to like use my guillotine. But I always wondered, does anyone actually realise that? It's something that I'm looking to upgrade. Hopefully I'm going to be able to do that soon, so I'm thinking about doing a mini shop update next weekend, because I have so many charms, so many keychains and stuff already prepped. I made a huge like army of like little frogs here. They're so cute. I have like charms and keychains here, and I was thinking about doing a mini update with the pigs, which I showed on my Instagram, as well as the frogs, and then doing like some little mini bundles with some of the handmade stickers that I've made and stuff. And yeah, then maybe put all that money that comes in from those towards a new mic, which I think is the main thing, the main goal. But yeah, the little pics that I actually showed on Instagram, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I will leave it down in the description. You don't want to miss that. I'm not very consistent at uploading there, but to be honest, I'm more consistent now than I have on YouTube recently. But I've introduced you guys on that to a few of my characters. So my frogs, which are two little twin frogs called Mochi and Mouth, and then my new pig character called Pig, but like pig with a double G. And Pig's a girl and Mochi and Mouth are two little mini frogs, which are twins, and they're little boys. I think I'm going with that. I find I always do characters on like food. Like my baguette boys, all of my bread and carby boys, my shrimps for example, my pizzas, my avocados, all of the characters that I've come up with in the past have always been food. And I wanted to do some animals and then base the food characters already have around the animals and intertwine it more and just come out with little stories and stuff. Don't know why, it's just something that's keeping me occupied at the moment. I'm really quite enjoying delving into like building up characters and stuff. There is a third kind of animal like type character, but it's the fourth character, if you count the two frogs as two individual beings, which they are. It's a little bear and it's called Big Bear, but he's actually like a little miniature bear, like smaller than Pig. But then I'm gonna call him BB for short, like Big Bear, BB. Oh, it's so cute, I love it. I've already come up with sticker designs for that. I'm actually waiting on stickers to arrive, which I ordered from a sticker app, because I've been testing out different websites and stuff, you know, like Sticker Mule, you've got Zap Creatives, Sticker App obviously, there's another one as well. I've tried 4 different manufacturers so far, and to be honest, Sticker App they've kind of won me over, to be honest. The quality of them have actually come out way nicer than a lot of other places. Like my last lot of stickers I was kind of a little bit disappointed by. Sticker Mule, I do quite like them. Their matte stickers especially are really thick, really cool. Last time I ordered from Zap, they ended up taking forever to come. It was like 12 days before I got the proof, and then like another week or so until like shipping. It was quite a while. Like usually they say on that it's going to take like, I don't know, like 5 days for the proofs or something, and then like 3 days for shipping. I also paid for fast shipping like with courier, so that, because I know there's a few delays and stuff. But yeah, it was more the times of like waiting for the proofs and then waiting for them to kind of say, hey, it's shipped. There was just, I don't know, especially being in the same country, I get a lot of international mail and I buy things internationally a lot, so I was expecting them to be shipped a lot quicker, but they just seem to be a bit slow. So I've been moving on from them. and I thought I'd go with sticker apps. So I put that order in, I think last week sometime. I'll let you know when that arrives and how long it took, that sort of stuff. Maybe one day I'll do like a comparison video of different like sticker manufacturers and stuff, if that would be helpful. And yeah, I'm just gonna get working now, finishing off all those frog keychains and charms. And then I've got like mini pins, because like my pins, like clay pins and stuff, have always been quite big up until now. So I thought if I make some mini ones, that'll be something a little bit different. They'll be cheaper. And I don't know, I think collection of like a couple mini pins next to like a bigger, larger pin look kind of cool. So I've just come up with some little mushrooms and some little marshmallows. So we'll see how they turn out. I'll be painting those either today or tomorrow, and obviously I'll share with you when those are done as well. But yeah, that's what I'm up to, working towards the mini shop update that should be next weekend. Again, I've left it quite last minute to decide to do it, but you need to push yourself. You need to push yourself. So yeah, I'm gonna get started now, putting those together and painting the mini pins. Hello everybody, so it's currently Saturday. I didn't film yesterday, sorry. I ended up getting really busy just packing orders and stuff, just because I had like orders from Wednesday onwards, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna have a packing day and pack those orders and get them out. That was an alarm to tell me to test my blood, because I am on a little mission where I have to test my blood 8 to 10 times per day, finger prick testing, to get funding on the NHS for a new glucose monitor. That's really fun. And every hour and a half to 2 hours my alarm goes off to tell me I have to go finger prick test. So I'm gonna do that in a second, probably forget by the time I end up chatting here. What was I saying? Honestly, I have the memory of a goldfish. I have no idea. That's really annoying. I have no idea. Anyway, yeah, so yesterday, I was talking about what I did yesterday. Went to the post office, posted those things. Had loads of anxiety yesterday, which also plays into the fact that I didn't come on camera, just because there was no reason. There genuinely wasn't. I didn't want to go outside my house. I didn't want to go to the post office, but I forced myself because I knew I wanted to get those orders out. So I cleared my orders and I went to the post office anyway. The guy in the post office was like, oh, I've got this really weird feeling today, like something bad's gonna happen. And I'm like, oh my goodness, same. And then he told me that a couple of hours before the police were there, because someone had stolen the like charity pots or something. Like they stole the charity pots of money. Isn't that really sad? Yesterday I also ended up painting these little mini pins, like I said I would end up doing. So I did like the little marshmallow ones. These take absolutely forever to sculpt and paint, because obviously I don't sculpt using like the same colours. I ended up sculpting them in one colour and then painted them, but I really adore how these come out. So these are going to be an exclusive mini pin for one of the boxes that I said about, because the way that I do the boxes, I quite like to like assemble them and have like exclusive items that you can only get in those boxes. So like I do a short run or something, like I say for example these little marshmallow charms, like look at these. So like say for example I make like 5 of these because I'm like, oh, I want to make some of those, then I'll make like 5 boxes. So I've made 3 of everything, and then they're just going to go in those boxes, and then the only way to get them is going to be in the boxes. And then if you buy a box, you kind of get something a little bit different than other people get. I don't know, I just like doing that. I'm going to end up painting the charms for the frog one and then the mini pin for that as well, making some packaging for the mini pins as well, and then putting them together in the box. Obviously still waiting for the vinyl stickers to come. They haven't arrived yet, but I did get a message from Royal Mail to say they have the item and they're going to let me know once it's in the UK, because Sticker App apparently shipped from, I want to say Netherlands, Sweden? I don't know, somewhere in the EU. I thought they shipped from the US. I have tried manufacturers from the UK and they haven't been that much quicker, in all honesty. So we'll just see how it goes. Once they arrive, obviously then I can full steam ahead to release those boxes. But yeah, I'm just working on the finishing touches for those, and yeah, just thought to say hello because I put some makeup on, feeling productive. Whenever I clean my hair, wash it, it's very big right now because I did hairdryer it. Like all of this is my own hair. Like look at that, I straightened that as well, like because otherwise I would literally look like Hagrid. Yeah, I put makeup on and then I feel a little bit more productive. So I'm just gonna get started.
Oh, points right to that. I set myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop and make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay, waking up to another day.
Okay, so I've just finished painting the mushrooms and then the lily pads as well. So these are what the charms have turned out for the bigger ones of the bundle boxes. So I've got the little marshmallow charms here. They're very simple, very adorable. I just adore them. Never made marshmallow charms like in this simple form before, but I really like them. They were absolute pain to make, like getting all of them smooth and like obviously the white color on that, as well as like no dust, and just keeping them all nice and kind of really smooth with the glazing and the glitter and everything like that. So they did take quite a while. They look nice and simple, but honestly they took a while. I then did these little lily pads, so I also put like little flowers on them. Really like those. To go with those, I've got the mini pins, which are the mushrooms. These are probably my favorite pins. I'm going to be making a couple of these and keeping them myself. I think they look adorable in like little tote bags and stuff. They just have like a little single pin on the back, and then the other mini pin badge here is just a little marshmallow, like I've already shown you. Really happy with how all of these have turned out. So I'm going to be packaging these up now, making some packaging for the mini pins. I'll film that and then show you that once that's all done.
I wanna go there someday. I know we're going somewhere, into the danger zone. It all points right to that. I set myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop and make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay, waking up to another day.
Okay, so now I've finished the packaging for the little mini pins. So these are the little mini mushrooms and how they turned out, and the mini marshmallow boys as well. I kept the backing cards and stuff the same size because I thought it really like shows how much, you know, smaller and stuff they are actually in like comparison. And I really like this mini size because these sizes here have been creeping up in size, that they ended up being like giant pins. But I really like the size of these mini ones, so I think it's kind of fun to offer the two kind of options. I don't know, I just really like those. Something I'm not liking, however, is my nails. I definitely want longer ones, so in my next studio vlog I'm gonna have longer nails. I'm sure I need to redo these. I also don't like the fact that I put yellow on my thumbnails, because now it looks like I've got yellow nails when I hold stuff, because obviously you expect French tips to be white and not yellow, and I don't know, it's really weirding me out. But yeah, the packaging for these is done. I'm just going to sign off this vlog here so I can get it up on the Sunday like I had planned, and then just start a new one from tomorrow, doing a whole week's worth of like the week in advance, like shop update prepping, seeing how that goes, seeing if my stickers and stuff arrive. But yeah, thanks so much for joining me today on studio vlog number, I want to say 9, and yeah, I'll see you in number 10. Bye.